Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can activate your gig on Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to fiverr.com. Then you must log into your account. After you log into your account, click on your profile on the top right hand side over here and click on Become a Seller. After you click on Become a Seller, scroll a bit down and click on here which is written Become a Seller. Now what you need to do is click on Continue, read all of this down and click Continue. So after you read all of this, you must write down your personal info, professional info and complete your account security. So go ahead and write down your full name, your display name, upload a profile picture for yourself, write a description about yourself because you are trying to sell services about yourself and what you expertise on. So make sure you write about 600 words about the description of yourself and the level of your expertise. The next thing you want to do is mention the languages which you are fluent on, and you can see the level of expertise over here. Go ahead and add the languages you want, the level of expertise, and click Continue. The next thing you want to add is about your professional info. Go ahead and choose your occupation, the year you started from, and the year you have done the work from. So you can choose about 5 skills you have gained on this occupation. Scroll a bit down and you can see other skills over here. So this is the best skills from the category of your occupations, and down below are the list of skills related to the services you're offering, and you must also add your level of expertise in this as well. So if you want to add a new expertise, just go ahead and click on Add New, which is over here. So after that, you must add in your education details. Then you can scroll a bit down, write down the certification and your personal website if you have one, and click Continue. The final step is to write down about your account security, write down your email address, your phone number, and click Continue. Then we are headed to create a new gig. Click on Create a Gig, and now you can start writing the gig details. So I'm gonna go ahead and describe what you need to write down. First of all, you need to write down your gig title. As your gig storefront, your title is the most important place to include keywords that buyers would likely use to search for a service like yours. So, as I'm a voiceover artist, I'm just gonna go ahead and write down something like, I will do the best voiceover work. So you can write something like this. Choose the category over here. So make sure you choose a good category because this will be shown on your profile. Now what you need to do is choose the narration language over here. As I have chose the voiceover, you can see the narration language will be available over here. So this will be different according to the occupation which you have chose. So you can choose up to 3 types of things over here: your age range and the tone. So you can see the type of tone you use. You can just go ahead and choose it. Also guys, make sure that you note that all of the titles will be changed according to the category you have chosen. So you can see you now need to enter the positive keywords. So go ahead and write down the positive keywords over here. So after you do this, click on Save and Continue. Make sure that all of this metadata has been chosen, because if you don't do it, you cannot click on Continue. So go ahead and click Save and Continue after you complete all of the details. The next thing you want to do is include the pricing details. So you can go ahead and write down the words and you can see what it will include. So go ahead and complete this fast because it will be different for all of the categories which you have chosen to. So make sure you choose this and make sure that you will do a lot of extra details because people really like to see some of the details being put. So you can see you must offer a lot of things which are given here. You must set your minimum delivery time to include at least the number of words listed in the basic package. Words included count should be multiply of 25. The delivery time must be related to the number of words, and you must enter a price for extra fast. So go ahead and click on save and continue, and make sure that these things are really good, because it will vary according to the words or according to the things you have kept. So go ahead and complete this, and you must write down your description and FAQ requirements, publish your things like your products, your services, and finally publish this work. Click on save if you want to save it for later. Go ahead and do this, and you're good to go. So make sure you include all of this, because if you don't, you cannot continue. I hope this video about how you can activate your gig on Fiverr was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.